Hope you're doing fantastic. Everybody knows Sweet Home Alabama by Lynyrd Skynyrd, and I'm going to teach it to you in under 3 minutes. Now this is mostly a beginner guitar lesson, but I'm going to teach you that thing right there. Pretty nice, even though I just messed it up. All right, let's go to D major with no capo. And I'll play you the chords first. Ready? D, big wheel, C major, keeps on turning, G major. But we're not going to do regular chords. The magic of this song is you play the D major, like that, and then lay this finger down on the 3rd fret of the E and the B strings, like that, and play the rest of the C shape. So you're basically playing, you're playing a C major, but you're playing them with these fingers right there, and you lay that finger down, and that makes a C shape, and that allows you then to move these fingers down 2 strings to this as the bass part of a G chord. And so you're playing a G chord, again, with both of those fingers camped out there on that 3rd fret, and you go like this. That's a C major to a G major with those right there. And now what you can do at the beginning of the whole song is just pluck those notes with your pick. It's not that hard, with the D string right here. Pretty cool. And then if you want to, I'll teach it real quickly. It's really not that hard. You open A string and hammer onto the 2nd fret of that open A, that A string, and then open D and hammer onto the 2nd fret of the D string and pull it off, and hammer it on to the 2nd fret of the A string and pull it off and hammer it back on, and then so you're basically doing the D string, the D chord to the C chord to the G. Ready? Now what's cool when it says it goes to an F back to D. So you don't need to go to the whole hard F chord. You basically take the G to the C chord we did and bring it 2 more strings. So you're on the 3rd fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the G string, like that. And a couple times when it goes, in Birmingham, we love the governor. Ready? F, C, D. Goes to that F, C, back to D, right before the guitar solo in the middle. So it's really pretty easy, same little fret, same little structure, and you just move your fingers around. Let me know what you think in the comments. This was super fast. Pause and rewind if you need to, and I'll catch you for another 3-minute guitar lesson. See ya.